guy don't want to come inside the cage. Everybody's relaxing, and he's the only one who doesn't want to come inside the cage. Everybody wants to be inside the cage, but not Charlotte. Charlotte, what are you doing there? Everybody's relaxing, but Charlotte wants to be outside the cage. That's not your water, Charlotte. That's not your water. What are you doing there? What are you doing there? Why are you outside? What are you doing there? That's Sunny. Sunny, you wanna come outside? You just got in. Everybody want to be inside the cage but Charlotte. Charlotte, you can't fit there. Charlotte, you're gonna get stuck. You're gonna get stuck between the cages. See? See? Be careful. Oh my goodness, look at Oh man, this kid is, oh. Hey, why you walk so fast? He just want to do a little exercise. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. What's going on with Charlotte? Huh? What's going on? What happened? Come to your cage. Come on, Charlotte. Charlotte, come on, baby. Come on. Come on, sweetheart. Come on. Come to your cage. Come on. Luna's calling you. Come on, sweetheart. Come on. Come to your cage. That's not your cage. You know that. There you go. Come on. Get inside. Get inside your cage. Come on. Go inside. Go inside, Charlotte. Let's see if he goes inside. You should know. You already know. I don't want Luna to get out. Okay. He just wants to explore one more time. Cookie, what's going on, Cookie? Charlotte, you want to come inside your cage? Come on. Come on. Go inside your cage. Go. Go inside. Get inside. Oh, this kid don't want to go inside. Okay. Hey, what are you doing there? Huh? Your friends don't want to get out anymore. You're gonna get stuck again, Charlotte. Charlotte, be a good kid. He just wants to be over there talking to Cookie. Gonna get stuck. Hey, Charlotte. Come on. Hi, Toby. Hi, sweetheart. You drinking water? Good job drinking water, huh? Good job, Toby. Good job drinking water. Look, Charlotte, it's being a bad kid. What are you doing? You're dancing, sweetheart? You're dancing. Hi. Pretty bird. Son, it's okay. Charlotte just wants to talk to Toby. It's okay. It's okay. Toby is Sunny's girlfriend, so Sunny the yellow bird, he gets jealous. This is Sunny, Toby, and Charlotte. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Did I scare you? I'm sorry, sweetheart. Be careful there. Be careful. You're playing? Look at Toby playing with the little ball. What was that? Did you hear a bird? Hi, sweetheart. Pretty bird. Go, let's try again. Okay, one more time, Charlotte. Go inside. Go inside your house. Go inside your house, Charlotte. Go, sweetheart. This kid is being bad. What are you doing there? Huh? Hi, Toby. And Lucy is just fixing her feathers. They want to get out now because they know Charlotte is out. But because it's almost night, I'm just going to leave them inside. In 30 minutes, I have to cover them. So there's... What are you doing there, Charlotte? It's getting late. You need to go inside your house. Go. Let's see if he was inside. Lucy just fixing her feathers. Cookie's talking to Sunny. They love to talk. Look at them. These two males, they love to talk. And Toby, she's just fixing her feathers as well. Getting ready to go to sleep. He's there again. Charlotte, get out from there, please. Oh, this kid. Charlotte, get out from there. Listen, it's getting late. You need to go to sleep. He loves talking to his shadow. He sings so beautiful. The other males, they don't want him to sing. That's why they do that. Hey, go to your room. Go to your house. Go to your house. Come on. Leave that alone. Go to your house. Go, Charlotte. Son is just checking what he's doing. Hey, go to your cage. I said to your cage. To your cage. What are you doing there? Go to your cage. I want to go to sleep already as well. I think he's too excited. I don't know why. Go to your cage, baby. Uh-oh, what happened? Lucy, did you fall, sweetheart? Oh. Come on, Charlotte. Come on, sweetheart. Come on. Come to your cage. You're the only one who's making noise. You're in trouble. Go to your cage. Everybody's trying to relax. Come on, Charlotte. Hey, come on. This kid don't want to come inside. What if I turn off the light? He's just checking what they're doing. See, he's there again. This is not ready to have a boyfriend. But he's trying. I'm sorry, Cookie. Maybe in a week, okay? And look at this guy. He's just checking what they're doing. Oh my goodness. Are you falling asleep there? Wow, you really are weird. You're stalking them? Are you stalking them? You okay? Let's see if he finally goes inside. Go inside. Finally. Good night, guys.